Welcome to Baby Delight. Let's walk through the quick and easy setup of your Heirloom Aspen wooden bouncer. Before getting started, check that all parts are included and in perfect condition. Start by connecting the cross wood piece into the left and right base frames until you hear a click. Then attach the left and right legs into the base frames. Notice the legs are marked L for left and R for right. Again, listen for the click to be sure they're locked in place. Next, connect the upper frame tubes together until they click securely. Now attach the upper frame to the base frame until you hear it click into place. Slide the fabric cover over the frame, making sure it fits smoothly around the edges. On the underside, fasten the 2 elastic loops from the fabric cover to the front base frame to hold it snug. Attach the toy bar by pressing the clips onto the frame. The bouncer features 2 recline positions. Simply lift the backrest until it clicks into your desired position. When you're done using it, press the recline buttons to fold the bouncer flat for easy storage. Remove the toy bar by gently flexing it away from the frame. And that's it. Your Heirloom Aspen wooden bouncer is ready for use. Thanks for choosing Baby Delight.